Good morning, Legion, and happy Friday. As we enter December, there are a number of things happening around the Near ecosystem. New products are dropping soon, better data on Near Intense is coming, including a Near Intense competitor dashboard that's going to be live shortly. And of course, the DGen Arena is ready for the J1 races so that you can bet on the team that you think is best positioned to win. Our first AI story today is another incredible AI software engineering product, this one known as Cline Bench. As CEO Posh writes on X, we're announcing Cline Bench, a real-world open-source benchmark for agentic coding. Cline Bench is built for real-world engineering tasks from participating developers where frontier models failed and humans had to step in. Each accepted task becomes a fully reproducible RL environment with a starting repo snapshot, a real prompt, and ground truth tests from the code that ultimately shipped. It only gets better from here, folks. Let's see what happens to software developer employment as more products like these hit the market. Our next story is more good news for Gemini 3. Gemini 3 Pro is the first general model to beat radiology residents on RAD-LEV1, a dataset created to test and compare the diagnostic accuracy of AI models compared to their human counterparts. While Gemini 3 Pro scored 51%, radiology residents scored only 45%, and board-certified radiologists at 83%. It's clear enough to imagine how in a short 5 years, we very well might have AI-first medicine, affordable and accessible for everyone. Last but not least, if you are a developer, Google AI Studios has released this complete developer tutorial for NanoBanana Pro. It includes how to create high-resolution images, prompting tips, search grounding, and much more. It is well worth your time to learn these best-in-class AI tools today, as they'll likely provide huge advantages in the workplace in the near future. That's all for today, folks. We'll do this again real soon.